Where do you like to travel? Listen to this conversation in a travel agency and learn how to use the first conditional.
How can I help you today?
I want to go on vacation soon, but I don't know where I should go. Do you have any suggestions?
What type of weather do you like?
I want to go somewhere warm.
If you like warm weather, you'll like Florida or California.
I've already been to Florida. What can I do in California?
If you go to California, you'll be able to go to beaches, surf, and visit some great cities.
That sounds great. How long does it take to travel there?
If you go by plane, it will take about 6 hours.
Let's book a flight. We use first conditional sentences to talk about real conditions and future effects. In these sentences, there is a conditional clause that starts with if and a result clause. We use the simple present tense in the conditional clause and the future tense in the result clause. If you visit New York City, you will see tall buildings. If I get to the airport on time, I won't miss my flight. If you take a vacation in the future, where will you go? What will you do there? This is American English. Thank you for watching.